Welcome back. With the overwhelming response of my first video, I prepared this tutorial keeping some of the suggestions in mind. The video is presented in 3 chapters: redressing, undressing, and harness installation. Hope you will find this tutorial is useful. Let's get started.
So this one goes last, this one goes first, then this one goes second, and this one also goes at the end. So let's keep this on the side, this on the side, this on the side. Let's proceed with this guy. So the first thing we do is so this I installed already. I think I showed you how to remove and put it back. There is a metal clamp below it horizontally. If you put it straight, it comes out straight in the sense this way, and it is locked in this position. This is the locking position inside, and if we have to remove out, we have to bend it straight like this and then pull out. To insert, we do the same thing, but we can do this once everything is installed. So I'll put it on the side. And the next thing is this need to be unbuckled. We need some more room here. Side. Just put it firmly. No hard installations as of yet. Just try to put it in position slowly. So here it goes inside and then it goes to the back. To the back of everything. Try to position firmly in one place. Thread can come out now. And then we proceed to pull this out. This side as well. Try to get the clip on the lock both outside into the center and keep it in the center. So this one goes from the side, this one goes from the side, and this will be goes into the head portion. So you can keep it here. Now we can insert this. Now the head cup can go. So hold it in the back and just pull gently backwards. And this goes to the pillow. Once it's from here, we take this lock behind and there is this portion which we'll just put it on top of it. Same thing on the other side. Once it's installed, slightly backwards on this side there is a lock as well, and it goes in the bottom portion. Just pull it down firmly and lock it. Here as well. This one goes below. And then try to pull this down so that it stays there for your eyes. These three are done. Let's put this inside. Here in the back there are no locks. It is just in position, right? So once we move this out, we put the head gear, then we see two locks like these two locks. Fix them up. So now we'll proceed with the head. This goes to the center. This goes here. So we'll first this one goes around the lever first, then slowly move backwards up to this point. Then this one goes behind the hook. So there are these hooks that will go once this belt comes inside them. So basically we take this, I didn't notice there are secret pockets behind it. Maybe we'll try putting something here next time. Okay, so that one goes inside, then I lock it from the until that click sound comes. Then here, this one, same thing. Okay, this is there. Now this one goes behind. This one stays forward. It can move up and down. I forgot to mention. So these ones, the inside, the first portion we click, they both go together. So on this side, this one, lock. As the both are in place, go inside. Now go inside. Stays there. Once it is done, yeah, this one we need to make a fold to insert. So So basically we'll try this way. We'll take one side, bend it, and then try to insert the farthest position if the baby is big, like my son who is 3 now. If the baby is small, then you can put it in the first one inside though. Now once you do that, to make sure it is properly inserted, this one goes straight. Now we'll take this metal, red facing forward, this one on the side, in the center to the hole, and then goes inside. Once it goes inside, we'll pull down, make it flat so that it locks in position. Then this covers it up. So this one will be held in position for the baby, and then this goes locking here. Okay. Rest we are done. Now this one is easy. So 2 portions go here, and these 3 goes down. So I pick the first one, so I'll pull this one. Now everything comes together. This belt comes from between these 2, and this one comes between these 2. There is a locking position. That is chest rest. Then you press inside, then hold it back once, tap inside. That's it.
Are being like in the texture, they're really green and firm.
You like it?
And they're fresh. They're
You like the sea?
so good
Sleep?
with pickle because they have all that super strong,
You like it?
pungent garlic flavor
Yeah?
inside
You like
the
it?
stock.
So you have these two layers, and then this goes in the back. These two, if you accidentally slip them,